everyone. How was your weekend and how have been your day? I hope it's been so wonderful, just like mine. Like I said at my last video, that I'm going to put so much more sessions on hibiscus tea, fruit drinks, and so on and so. So today I'm here with another session, but this session is about the mistakes we Zobo, hibiscus, karkade producers, like the drinks producers, make. Some of us do make those mistakes without realizing it's a mistake. Come with me for more stories. Here are some of the mistakes. Number one, whenever you are cooking your hibiscus flower or your hibiscus leaf, please do not overheat it. Secondly, people who use cucumber in making their hibiscus drinks, please try not to overcook the cucumber. You don't need to cook the cucumber because it's a fruit. It's part of the fruit or vegetables, so they don't really need too much or high heat. Whenever you want to make the hibiscus drinks, especially you want to add cucumber to it or other fruits, please do not overcook or overheat it. Please, whenever you're making a hibiscus drinks, especially when you're adding it with fruits, please do not put too much sugar to it, because hibiscus drinks don't like too much sugar. It's a drink that doesn't like too much sugar, so please do not put too much sugar to it, because there is a fruit in it, and those fruits have a quantity of sugar in it. And the next thing is, please, it seems
And
today
that
we are
was how
having
he
a video
ended
with
the
my
video.
son.
But that was not the end of the video. We're going to meet in the next video, inshallah. So I hope you try to subscribe and like my video to get more updates and notification for next videos. Thank you.